Ross Jr. here for yet another in-shop adventure. So today, what are we doing? Well, it is that time. We actually have time, and we're going to sit here and we're going to clean Obsidian. One of the many tasks that us rock hounders have to do on a regular basis is when we finally get home and get time, we have to clean up our finds. Well, this has been sitting here since December, and it's near Christmas right now. It's been sitting here since September, and it's near Christmas right now. By the way, Merry Christmas. So, we are going to spend a few hours today cleaning the Obsidian. And the tool that we're going to use today is primarily the pressure washer, because this stuff here is on here tough. I mean, it is not easy to take off. No scrubbing is going to really get this clean. Then we're going to go through some of the pieces that we've cleaned up and show you some of the more interesting finds that we have. Okay, well, we've done some cleaning of some of it, and as you can tell, some of it is difficult to clean. Oh, and yes, I got wounded. Out of all the obsidian I've handled, this is the very first time I've ever been cut. So Safety Sally people, I don't need to hear it about me on how I should be wearing gloves. Things happen, and it will probably happen again in my future. But, see us here? That's almost like a calcium deposit. So that stuff had a hard time coming off. But there's a little bit of color going on in there, but with it being such a cloudy day, it's hard to see. Some of the other stuff that we have here. What's interesting is how coarse, and that's the idea, didn't get cleaned up very well. Almost feels like sandpaper or a file, a fine file. It's not smooth whatsoever. That's pretty though. Not sure what to call that, or what this stuff is called. So if you know what this gray obsidian is called, or silver obsidian, or whatever, leave a comment below. I'd really like to know what the name of it is, because I have some of this material. Again, another spot that didn't get fully cleaned, but still, look at the colors in that. That sharp edge right there is what got me, where that chip is at. And there is a little bit of rainbow color. Boy, you just really cannot see it in that. But what was exciting is what's over here. Look at the colors in that. Now this one here, not sure what this one has in the way of colors. I know it's got something. It's just hard to see them all here in the way the lighting is. Okay, now I'm going to go look for a particular one that we've cleaned. I don't see it, and I'll be right back to show you. Okay, here is this one here. Really good vibrant colors in that one. And the missus found this one. This is one of her finds for sure. Again, the light's not the greatest because of this overcast. So there you go, you can see it really good there. And then we have another one. I hope the purple is showing up on this. Had no idea that we had stuff that looked like this until we got cleaned up. So this is like rediscovering a few months later. This is all cool. Okay, everybody. Well, you've seen some of our beautiful obsidian that we have. Yes, I know there's people who have found much more prettier stuff than this. You understand, we were probably only at the rainbow obsidian pit itself for an hour and a half. We were not there very much time. We were doing kind of goofing off and other things that day. So we were not there that long. And with the weight limit that you're supposed to follow, which probably most people don't, but with the weight limit, we wanted to be selective off of what we had so we could have a variety of material. Because so we were there, we went to the electric blue obsidian pit, we were to the royal purple obsidian pit, we were to the needles, we also went up to the gold sheen, and we had to spread out what we could pick up, so kind of even it out a little bit. Yes, I would like to go there and fill this up. That would be fun. But the Forest Service personnel might just frown on that, despite of what happens up there with others. And we did talk to a Forest Service personnel when we were there. He didn't seem too concerned, but at the same time, we didn't want to take a chance. So we did get a fair amount of material between the two of us, but definitely could always use more, which means another trip. But for now, we've got some of this here cleaned up, ready to work, figure out what we're going to do with it, and just enjoy it. But thank you so much for tagging along today for cleaning of some obsidian. Not much scrubbing involved on it today, mostly pressure washing, but it was neat to see what was hidden underneath that dirt once we got it cleaned up. So it was an exciting day for me. The Mrs. Jaws Jr., who was out here, thought it was really neat. That purple piece that I just showed you, grew legs again on me, that I just showed you was incredible in person, even in under this cloud cover. And I just hope that it shows up well enough on the camera for you guys. But I'm going to let you guys go. So remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine out here cleaning obsidian. This is the Adventures of Jaws Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya! Fun stuff here.